speak English, but I don't know that how will I speak English. I don't have any idea to speak English. Can you tell me how will I speak English?
Yes, I can tell you. How will you speak English? Hello, what is your name?
My name is Saloni Kumari, and what is your name?
My name is Riya Yadav. And in which class do you read?
I read in class 8th standard. And in which class do you read?
I read in class 7th standard.
I want to speak English, but I don't know that how will I speak English. I don't have any idea to speak English. Can you tell me how will I speak English?
Yes, I can tell you. How will you speak English? First, I want to ask you some question. Can you reply me?
Yes, you can ask me any question and I will try to reply you, and you can ask.
Do you know how to read English book?
Yes, I know how to read English book.
Do you know something about what meanings and make sentences?
Yes, I know something about word meaning and make sentences.
Do you know how to make so long sentences?
Yes, I know how to make so long sentences.
Do you go to coaching every day and do you read English every day?
I don't go to coaching every day, but I read English every day.
Do you practice at your house every day?
No, I don't practice every day at my house.
But according to me, you should practice at your house every day. If you don't practice, then you will not able to speak English. So you should practice.
From now, I will try to practice.
Okay, you should do practice, but you should not only do practice, but you should do practice with mirror. Tell me one thing. How will you practice at your house?
I will practice with mirror, and I will practice with walk, and I will practice loudly for speaking English.
Okay, if you will try this, then you will speak English one day. And tell me one thing. How many hours will you practice at your house?
I will practice 2 hours at my house.
Okay, and in my opinion, for speaking English, you will have to learn so many word meanings, vocabularies, and models word.
I know how to word meaning and vocabularies, but I don't know how to model words.
Okay, but you should know how to model verb, and if you want to speak English, then you should have a confidence to speak English anywhere.
I have some confidence for speaking English anywhere.
Okay, if you want to speak English, then you will have to do practice every day. So this is my advice for you.
Thanks for giving me your advice, Riya.
Good to have you for Riya and Saloni.